प्रेयर के पहले यहाँ तक बोलना, यहाँ तक अपना नाम बोलना है यहाँ पर।
With this quotation, a warm and pleasant good morning to you all present over this morning's assembly. Today me, Sadhvi Rai, is standing in front of you all along with my friends to host today's morning assembly. So, Payal Yadav, I would like to call Payal Yadav for prayer, English prayer.
Start बोलो। Dearest God, bless mommy, daddy, brother and sister, bless my principal, teachers, staff, all the children of this school. Bless me and back me, all good, careful child.
A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. So let's greet the day with open arms. As we all know that no program can be started without remembering the Almighty, the creator of a whole world. So all of you please be ready in prayer position.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes, join your hands and start. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid. Let's come together and recite our school plays. It reminds us of our responsibilities and commitments as part of this institution. Raise your hand. Start. India is my country, audience all, my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very hearted. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect. Inspiring thoughts can spice up our day. Reading new thoughts in the morning works like fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to inspire with thought here comes, I would like to call Payal Yadav for morning thought.
Good morning to all. My name is Payal Yadav and I am a student of class 9. Today is my thought. You don't always need a plane sometimes. You just need to breathe, trust. Let's go and see what happens. Thank you. Have a nice day.
In fact,
Good morning all of you, my name is Kari Fact. Tsunami wave can travel at a speed of a jet. Thank you, have a nice day.
to call from class 8 Samiksha Singh for GK question.
To one and all present here, myself Samiksha Singh and I study in class 8. Today is my GK question. From class nursery, what is the color of sky? Right answer. From class LKG, how many eyes do you have? Right answer. From class UKG, which numbers comes after 9? Right answer. From class first, in which country do you live? Right answer. From class second, what is the capital of India? Right answer. From class third, how many states are there in India? Right answer. From class 4, how many union territories are there in India? Right answer. Who is known as father of nation? From class 5th, who is known as father of nation? Right answer. From class 6, which is the smallest country in the world? Wrong answer. Right answer, Vatican City. From class 7, what comes after trillion?
Vatican City.
Yes, sir. From class 7, what comes after trillion? Wrong answer. Right answer, quadrillion. From class 8, in which Indian state is Chauri Chaura village located? I repeat my question. In which Indian state is Chauri Chaura village located? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. From class 9, when was Bhagat Singh executed? I repeat my question. When was Bhagat Singh executed? Right answer is 23 March 1931. From class 10, which gas is filled in electric bulb? I repeat my question. Which gas is filled in electric bulb? Right answer is nitrogen gas. Thank you. Have a nice day.
All from class 8, Kartikeya Rai for morning news.
Today also is my news, sport news. India defeated Australia by 6 runs in 5th T20 International. National news. India envoys visit Sri Lanka in North undergoes commitment to country. Educational news. IIT Delhi reports 480 job offers, 25 students receive international offers. Local news. 3 Lekpal get adverse entry charge sheet against officers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Srishti, please come on the stage for English rhymes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you, and I did.
KG, Divyanshu, Priyans and Abhigya, please come on the stage for English rhymes.
Good morning, Raju. Good morning, Raju. My name is Abhigya. I am in class 1. Today is my rank. Good morning, Raju. My name is Mr. Arvind. Today is my rank. Please, thank you. And how are you? Positive address will always do. Author feel good. You will do. I often use them. What about you? You have a nice day.
So UKG. From class UKG.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aditya. Good morning, all of you. My name is Aryan. Good morning. In class 2KG, today's my rhymes.
Rhymes.
Bubbles, bubbles, here and there. What do you do up in the air? Taking the ferry from place to place. Then disappearing without a trace. Pizza, pizza, it is a treat. Pizza, pizza, fun to eat. Simply gold, cheese so yummy. Pepperoni in my tummy. Pizza, pizza, it is a treat. Pizza, pizza, fun to eat. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone present here. My name is Shagun Yadav. I am the student of class 8. Today I am present here to give a speech on the Navy Day. Navy Day in India is celebrated on 4th December every year to recognize the achievement and role of the Indian Navy to the country. 4th December was chosen as on that day in 1971 during Operation Trident. The Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistani vessels including PNS Khyber, killing hundreds of Pakistani Navy personnel on this day. Those killed in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 are also remembered. During the days leading up to Navy Day, during Navy Week and the days prior to that, various events take place such as an open swimming competition. Ships are open for visitors and school children. There is a veteran sailors lunch, performance by the Naval Symphonic Orchestra take place. An Indian Navy inter-school quiz competition happens, a Navy half marathon as well as an air display for school children, and the beating retreat and tattoo ceremonies happen. The Indian Navy is a naval branch of the Indian Armed Force and is led by the President of India as Commander-in-Chief. The Indian Navy has an important role in securing the marine border of the country as well as enhancing the international relation of India through CPOL, visit joint exercises, humanitarian calamity relief and so on. The modern Indian Navy is undergoing a speedy renovation in order to improve its position in the Indian Ocean region. The strength of the Indian Navy include over 67,000 personnel and about 150 ships and submarines. Navy Day in India originally concluded with the Royal Navy Trafalgar Day on 21 October 1944. The Royal Indian Navy celebrated Navy Day for the first time. The idea behind celebrating Navy Day was to boost outrage and increase awareness about the Navy amongst the general public. Navy Day celebration presently witness parades and various port cities as well as organizing public meetings at inland naval establishment. From 1945 onwards, about World War II, Navy Day was celebrated on 1st December. On the night of 30 November 1945, on the eve of the Navy Day celebration, Indian ratings painted the slogans such as Inqilab Jindabad. In due to course and until 1972, given the interest among the public, Navy Day was celebrated on 15 December and the week in which 15 December was observed by Navy Week. In 1972, old tradition gave way to new reason to celebrate the day. At the Senior Naval Officer Conference in May 1972, it was decided that Navy Day would be celebrated on 4 December to commemorate the action of the Indian Navy during the 1971 Indigo Pakistani War, and the Navy Week would be observed from 1 to 7 December. Thank you. Have a nice day. Start. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. As we wrap you today's assembly, let's carry the dates through with us, lifting its influence, our action and choices. Thank you everyone. Have a protective and memorable day ahead. Assembly dispersed.